Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A53 Plus, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and here we have to go to this video settings section and tap on the video size. This is the option we're looking for. And as you can see, we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. All of them are with 30 frames per second. There is only difference in the resolution basically. So currently we've got the FHD option applied. All you have to do is to tap on the other option. So let me pick this one. As you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that it has been applied, and from now on your device will use it to record the video. Of course, it's up to you which option, which video size you want to use, but to be honest, I prefer and I highly recommend this one, the FHD, as it is the best possible in this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.